Hello everyone, I am Hajar Asadi and I will talk about microneedle patches as a vaccine delivery platform. One of the silver linings of the pandemic being a new breakthrough in medicine and technology that include a better way to deliver vaccine. We will take a look at the new patch that could replace needles forever. This patch, barely the size of fingerprint, could be replaced needles forever.
Developed is a microneedle patch.
Stanford Professor Dr. Judy Simon, along with a team of researchers at University of North Carolina, used a new 3D printing technology to create it. The patch goes unlike a band-aid. It has 100 of tiny needles coated with a mixture of COVID vaccine and sugar.
Put this patch on and the microneedles are so small that it's pain-free, and you wear it for a couple hours and that sugar will dissolve into the skin and deliver the vaccine right where all those immune cells that are targeting.
Because the skin has a high concentration of cell, the patch delivers medicine more directly than a traditional shot into the muscle. That means it's more effective. Simon and his team found that it creates 50 times more antibodies than a needle.
That you manufacture can now inoculate 50 times more people.
Expanding supply is only one benefit. The sugar solution is more stable than liquid COVID vaccines. So it can be shipped anywhere, stored at high temperature, and last longer. And it doesn't take to train a doctor or nurse to administer. So the patch can help undeveloped countries to speed up their vaccination efforts. According to the CDC, as many as 25% of adults and many children have a fear of needles. Some so severe it prevents them from getting vaccinated. But one day, needles, at least the one we are used to, may not be necessary.
So you take away the anxiety and the pain associated with it, especially for children and others, that there's a pain-free approach.
The Simon patches isn't the only one developed. Researcher at the University of Queensland in Australia and the University of Pittsburgh both published studies about their own versions, all showing similar results. Simon says, patches like this are the future of medicine.
You should design vaccines on the means of delivery. And so it's going to fundamentally change things.
So the patch could start testing in primates early next year, but it's still a couple of years away from full FDA approval. Simon says even the pandemic is over, then having this technology means we will be ready for the next one.